Hi, guys. Dr. Marvin here, and welcome to our seventh and final week of financial accounting here. Um, as we look back over the last 6 weeks, hopefully, you've really gained some knowledge around analyzing financial transactions, preparing journal entries, preparing the accounting financial statement worksheet, and preparing financial statements. Hopefully, you have a much better base of knowledge around financial statements and transactions and how different transactions impact those financial statements within organizations. These are critical skills as you progress through and ultimately maybe work towards an advancement in your current position or work towards utilizing your degree to make a career change after you graduate. Again, accounting as the language of business really provides the backdrop for the course learning outcomes. And as we wrap up week 7 here, or begin our final week here, it's really important to just kind of reflect on those course learning outcomes and to really take inventory of all the things that you've learned over the last 7 weeks. So I'm really seeing some great posts here. And so in any event, what we have coming down the pike here in week 7, a couple things. I have updated and posted grades through week 6. So as you jump into Moodle and look at the scores there for week 6, you'll see an updated grade book. Any questions on grades, please do let me know. They're due very early next week. So if you have any questions about anything related to your grade, I would strongly encourage you to send me an email this week before Friday. Otherwise, as we look to our agenda and activities for this week, there's a final exam practice review in McGraw-Hill Connect, and you're going to earn points for just completing it. So your score that you get or you earn on that practice exam is not going to impact the points that you earn. It's just a completion. It's complete or incomplete. So full credit, no credit. So that due date in the system is actually Saturday 11:59. So make sure you get in there and work your way through that. Again, it's designed to help you prepare for the final exam, which is also due Saturday 11:59. So because of the end of the course, due dates are moved up so that I can meet the final grade requirement with the registrar's office. So if you have any questions about anything as we approach our final exam this week, please do reach out to me. Phone, email, text, question and answer board here within the course room. Whatever works best for you works best for me. So it's been a great pleasure having each of you in this course, and I wish you all continued success as you continue your academic pursuit here at Tiffin University, as well as professional and other successes as you move towards graduation and the challenges and adventures that await you in the years to come. So be well, take care, and look forward to hearing from you soon.